Welcome to our channel, Godavari Kids World. Hello little friends. Today we are going to meet some amazing birds. Are you ready? Let's start our wonderful journey into the world of birds. Let's see their names one by one. Peacock. It has big, colorful tail feathers with pretty patterns. It spreads its feathers to show its beauty. It lives in forests and gardens. It makes soft calls and dances to attract mates. Parrot. It has bright green feathers and colorful wings. It loves to eat fruits and seeds. It lives in warm forests and on trees. It is very smart and can copy sounds. Crow. It has black feathers and is very smart. It can use tools to find food. It lives near homes, farms, and forests. It makes loud cawing sounds. Pigeon. It has soft feathers and comes in many colors. It eats grains and seeds. It lives in cities, parks, and villages. It can fly long distances. Sparrow. It is small, brown, and chirpy. It loves to eat seeds and crumbs. It lives near houses, fields, and gardens. It moves quickly from branch to branch. Myna. It has shiny black feathers with yellow beak and legs. It loves to eat fruits, grains, and insects. It lives in trees, gardens, and near villages. Wow! We met 6 beautiful birds in part 1. Each bird is special and helps nature in its own way. Which one is your favorite? See you soon in part 2. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.